the biggest slum in this country. As we try to do slum upgrading in Kibera and other slums, Mathare, Korogosho, a character who was a leader there for 20 years and did nothing about slum upgrading is shouting from the rooftop that we shouldn't do housing. And he was there. He saw the squalor, the shame of people using flying toilets, people living in abject poverty, total indignity. And we have a program now to dignify those people, give them some affordable housing because they deserve dignity because it's in our constitution. And a fellow they elected for 20 years, believing in him, he is shouting at the rooftop that this program should not happen. Just how unfair can you be? How unfair can you be to people who have been so nice to you? These are people who have given you leadership for 20 years. You did nothing for them. Somebody else has come to say, let's do something for them. You did nothing for them. They gave you leadership, and then you are trying to stop it. Sijui ni wivu. Kikwetu kinyumbani huko tunaita kikoro. Sijui, I don't know. I don't understand. I think I'm lost. I don't understand people in this country anymore. Why would anybody is in his right frame of mind have a problem with slum upgrading? Why would anybody in his right thinking have a problem with having affordable housing for Kenyans so that they can live with dignity? We don't understand. So me, I want to say thank you. I'm not your ambassador. I am the owner. So this is in my DNA. The president and I, we talk housing. Morning, lunchtime, and jioni kama dawa. That is one of our pillars in our manifesto and is one of our contractual understanding with the people of Kenya. We have entered with the people of Kenya a 5-year contract, and one of the things we have agreed with them is affordable housing. We have every intention of honoring our part of the contract because in another 4.5 years, we'll be going back to the people of Kenya to renew the contract, and we don't want them to terminate that contract. So finally, for Nakuru, I think you are very lucky. And I don't think you have a problem with affordable housing because your governor is passionate about housing. She's an urbanite. Not just one of Kenya, she lived in America all her life. So she is urban. She's not even waiting for the future. Herself, she is urban. Then, luckily for Nakuru County, the cabinet secretary in charge of housing, Zach Njeru, is from Nakuru. The principal secretary, who is being made to sweat by negative fellows, Charles Hinga, is from Nakuru. What else can the people of Nakuru ask in matters housing?